Welcome to our website template from scratch HTML and CSS course. My name is Lawrence and I've been a web developer for over 14 years. I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with you. We're going to be using tools like Notepad and CodePen.io, so you can also follow along by downloading Notepad or using your own editor, or you can work with one of these online editors such as CodePen.io in order to write your HTML and CSS code and build out your own template. We're going to be starting from scratch with a blank page and talking about all of the different HTML elements that we're going to be adding in order to design this fully responsive website. And from there, once the website is built, you can begin to customize it as your own and continue to build out websites and web pages using this type of template structure. It is encouraged that you do follow along. We're going to be providing all of the source code, resources, links necessary in order to follow along with this course. We're also going to be going step by step. So when we build out our HTML page, we're going to be adding in our navigation bar, header, side menu, content area, and footer. So this is going to be a typical website structure. And once we've built that out, we're going to begin to style it with CSS and really begin to make it look like an actual website and a web template that you can work with and build out more content on. So this is just the code for the navigation, the menu, the main content, footer, and then afterwards we're going to be talking about how to make your web page responsive. So mobile first thinking and have it actually resize and readjust when the screen size is smaller. So we're going to be finishing off the course with that, and as well we're going to be providing additional resources and links as they become available and updating this course as new material becomes available. It's also encouraged that if you have any questions or comments, you do post them in the forum. I check them on a regular basis, or if you want to contact me, feel free to message me anytime. So when you're ready, let's begin coding and creating our own HTML templates.